Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Students, in my previous video class, I already discussed closure property and commutative property of rational numbers. So now I will discuss associative property of rational numbers. Operation, example and remark. Students, we know that there are four basic mathematical operations. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first one is addition. Take any three rational numbers a, b and c. Firstly add a and b. Firstly add a and b and then add c. We get a plus b plus c is equal to, now again add b and c, then add a. B and c, then add a. We will get same result, that is b plus c plus a. Let us take three rational numbers. A is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to 5 by 2. So our condition is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. 1 by 2, put a, b and c values in this condition. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 as it is. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 8 by 2. So 5 plus 4, 9 by 2 and 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence addition is associative. Hence addition is associative. Write in the remark, since a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, therefore addition is associative. Addition is associative. The next second one, subtraction. So here also same. Take any three rational numbers a, b and c. First subtract a and b, then subtract c is not equal to, first subtract b and c, then subtract a. So a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c, bracket of b minus c. So let us take the one simple example. Again a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to 5 by 2. So here LHS is, LHS first, LHS is a minus b minus c. A is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is minus 2 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2. 5 minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 by 2. And next, now check RHS. So RHS is a minus of b minus c. So a is 1 by 2 minus b is 3 by 2 minus c is 5 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 5 by 2 is minus 2 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2 is again minus 1 by 2. See here, LHS result is minus 7 by 2 and RHS result minus 1 by 2. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence subtraction is not associative. Right here, since a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c, therefore subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative. The next operation is multiplication. Third one, multiplication. First multiply a and b, then multiply c is equal to multiply b and c, then multiply a. Here in both the case we will get the same result. Let us take the example. A is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 2 and c is equal to 5 by 2. So LHS is A into B into C. A is 1 by 2 and B is 3 by 2 and C is 5 by 2. So first multiply A into B. 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4 into 5 by 2. 3 5s are 15, 4 2s are 8, 15 by 8. And next RHS. So the RHS A into B into C. But A is 1 by 2 into B is 3 by 2 into C is 5 by 2. First multiply B and C, then multiply 1 by 2. 3 5s are 15, 1 by 2 as it is. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. 15 1s are 15, 4 2s are 8, 15 by 8. See here, LHS is equal to 15 by 8 and RHS is equal to 15 by 8. Means here result is same. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, multiplication is associative. Right here in the remark, since A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, therefore multiplication is associative. Then next operation is division. The next operation division. So here also same. First divide A and B and after that divide C is not equal to first divide B and C, then divide A. Let A, B and C are the three rational numbers. So first divide A and B and divide by C is not equal to first divide B and C, then divide by A. So here results are not same. Let us take the example A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 3 by 2 and C is equal to 5 by 2. So LHS is LHS A 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 2. 2 to get cancelled, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2 by 5 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 3 5s are 15. So LHS is 2 by 15. Then now check RHS. So let us check RHS. RHS is A is 1 by 2 divided by B is 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 as it is divided by 3 by 2 into 2 by 5. 2 to get cancelled, it is 3 by 5. Again 1 by 2 into 5 by 3. 5 1s are 5, 2 3s are 6. Yes, see here. So LHS is 2 by 15 but RHS is 5 by 6. Therefore, since A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C, therefore division is not associative. So associativity is always possible for addition and multiplication but not for subtraction and division. And next, distributive property. So distributive property, first one, distributive property, multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. So here two cases, one is multiplication over addition and another one is multiplication over subtraction. So distributive property multiplication over addition states that for any three rational numbers A, B, C, for any three rational number A, B and C, we have A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Then next, distributive property multiplication over subtraction. Multiplication over subtraction. So here also same. Distributive property multiplication over subtraction states that for any three rational number A, B and C, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. So you can take any three rational number. Here also LHS is equal to RHS. So multiplication over addition is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, and distributive property multiplication over subtraction is A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. The next, additive identity. Additive identity. So as all we know that 0 is called additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. For example, any number plus 0 is equal to the same number. So any number plus 0 is equal to, or 0 plus any number is equal to same number. The next, additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Negative of a number is called additive inverse. Negative of a number is called additive inverse. Is called additive inverse. For example, additive inverse of 56 is minus 56. Additive inverse of minus 7 by 8 is plus 7 by 8. Additive inverse of 8 by 9 is minus 8 by 9. The next, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. So one is called multiplicative identity. One is called multiplicative identity. For example, any number into 1 or 1 into any number, we will get the same number. 1 into a is equal to a, and a into 1 is equal to a. The next, multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a number is called multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal of a number is called multiplicative inverse. For example, 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. And multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. And multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 9 is minus 9 by 7. So here 1 by 2 is multiplicative inverse of 2. 5 by 3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5. And minus 9 by 7 is multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9.